this one moved up a little, and now Brian and I are concerned about the evening commute.
Yeah.
We weren't so much
No,
yesterday.
I know, and you have a decent little drive. You have no excuse.
I have no.
But no, yeah. So I think it's going to impact it. I don't want to make it like a doomsday scenario. You know, my take is I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'll just tell you the weather. It's just moved up enough that it's going to be a bit of a factor.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that. I sometimes do tell you what to do, but that's completely unrelated to the weather. Often, yeah, that's true. But
Not
that's
on TV,
amongst
though.
friends and whatnot. Today, nice. Did some melting. 40 in Portland, 37 in Bangor. Clean up what you can because it is going to be a hard freeze tonight. And then, of course, our next storm comes in tomorrow afternoon. Here it is. Some severe weather down in the Houston area. And this is just going to all move northeastward here and run into some colder air, so become more of a winter storm. But it's not a nor'easter in the traditional sense of it sitting out over the Gulf and getting into a really bombed out scenario out there. It's going to actually kind of move through pretty quickly. So let's start with tonight. It's going to drop down into the single digits in a lot of spots tonight. And I actually think Bangor, Caribou, Millinocket, and Caribou, these temperatures are too warm. I think we could be pretty squarely 10 below by tomorrow morning. And this is important because this is the air mass we're going to try to dislodge and change over to rain. We'll be able to do it, but you can see that this is going to be a hurdle to overcome. So tomorrow we start with sun. We cloud up to about the middle of the day, maybe late morning over southern western Maine. And as Amanda just started with there, we're going to bring the snow in just a couple of hours earlier than anticipated yesterday. So now, you know, at 4:30, we're starting to get into some light snow. By 5 or 6, I think we've got some moderate bands down across southern Maine. So the evening commute is impacted. Snow is heaviest through kind of the middle part of the night, 8 to about midnight. And then the rain-snow line comes on shore around midnight along the coastline, pushes in throughout the morning, but it takes a long time. So by the time it gets into Bangor, for example, here on Thursday morning, a lot of the precipitation is done, and this system's out of here by about midday. It's a really quick-moving system. I want to show you something I don't show you a lot, snowfall rates. So perspective, an inch an hour is really heavy snowfall. 2 inches an hour is just nuking snow. And so here we are at 6 o'clock, 0.7, so decent band of snow in Portland, strong band of snow in Freiburg. You can see that shifts and really settles into Freiburg by the middle of the evening, 9, 10 o'clock at night, 2 inches an hour, 1.5 in Lewiston. So what I'm trying to drive home here is in order to get these snowfall totals that I'm showing you, we have to put down the snow really quickly, and we will, through the middle part of the night tomorrow. So again, 8 to midnight, I think is the heaviest snow. Maybe more like midnight to 3 a.m. across the northern part of the state. Only minor change here, and you have to have a good eye, guys. I slid Bangor into 3 to 6 instead of 6 to 12 because I think the warmer air will intrude a bit there. Oh, I did not have time for that graphic. Quiet Friday, Saturday, next system is Sunday night, Monday. It looks much weaker, but it could be another mixture of rain and snow. So here we go again. Thursday morning could be delay worthy as opposed to cancellation worthy, but I'll let them make those decisions.
Sounds good. Keith, thanks so much.